Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series, and in this video I will explain you how to add a clock to Notion like this one, for example. But before that, let's try to figure out why one would want to add a clock to Notion. Since I'm a project manager, the first use case that comes into my mind is actually a daily stand-up. A daily stand-up is a time-boxed event, and if you're a project manager who is leading the call and share a screen, it may be quite useful to add this widget so that each and every team members can see how much time still remains. So that can be the one use case. Also, another one very useful, I guess, is when you work in a remote team and you have colleagues from different time zones, and you can add different clocks for each and every time zone on the page, so that you could figure out quickly what time it is in each and every time zone where your colleagues are located. And another use case maybe for those who use this time boxing productivity techniques like Pomodoro technique, for example. It also makes sense adding this a clock to some page so that you can track your time boxes when you work and when you relax, time frames. Yeah, that's probably the main use case. It's also just for design purposes. I guess it may be useful as well. So let's get back to the question itself on how to add this clock to a Notion page. So unfortunately, at the moment, Notion doesn't have any inbuilt clock widgets. So the only thing how we can do this is by using third-party services, and we have this indify.co, very useful service, which actually specializes on the widgets for Notion. And you can see that there are some quite useful Notion like widgets for Notion, like live progress bar, weather, clock, countdown, image gallery, whatever. I already prepared few widgets before. So for example, if you want to add a clock, you just go to a clock widget, and here, by the way, we have a lot of different settings. You may choose analog numbers, digital solid, and I just chosen for my page this pretty fancy flip clock. And then you just copy link and you go to your page, and here, like, let's do this here, like we just type /embed and paste this link. And you have this clock. You may also adjust as long as you need it. Yeah, and you may still operate the page like this. This page is a two-column layout, so you may type your text on the left side and have this clock on the right side. You may make it smaller, bigger, whatever you want. As I said, different designs are available. You can use also other widgets and other services. Another thing which is useful from this particular service, you may add a countdown like this one, but for this one you need to set up the point in time where you start your countdown. I'm not sure, probably it has already finished. Let's say 12:30, and now copy, replace. You see, also quite useful things for daily stand-ups. Okay, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful. Bye.